Okay, so before we get the car up, first thing you've got to do is loosen the wheel bolts. Unless you have an electric torque wrench, you're going to find it's frustrating to get the car in the air and then realise you've got to drop it straight back down in order to get the wheel bolts off. Now ideally you'll be using a nylon socket rather than a traditional socket, because a nylon coated socket is generally a better option. It's a good habit to be in. It won't make any difference on these wheels, but if you ever use alloys, then you will thank yourself, because you'll not damage your alloys. So in this case, it doesn't matter what you do. Okay, first thing is chuck the wheels. If you're jacking at the front first, chuck the back, and vice versa. So we want to get the jet located roughly on that plate there. That's the subframe there, so that's what we want to start with. Yeah, that is right underneath. They've actually elongated that section there to make it really obvious. That's why they want you to drop it down. And then when it just touches the pad, just stop it at that point, and then check the other side. That's it, that's the front done. Now onto the rear. Right, so at the rear of the car, you've got the same sort of little indent there to indicate the reinforced weld on the sill there. So what I'm going to do on the rear, because I haven't got any axle stands that have a slotted pad for the rear, I'm going to have to jack up on the reinforced weld, and we'll get an axle stand underneath part of the subframe, probably this section here, to make it nice and sturdy. And I've got two of these slotted pads here. Got a bit more confidence from that one, I think, so I think we'll go with that one. Okay, yeah, that's good. Keep an eye on the other two axle stands at the same time, make sure they don't overload. You can see them starting to tilt a little bit, which is to be expected, but obviously make sure you don't get your body underneath while it's in this state, because if it fell, it would obviously cause serious injury. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we've got 6 on there as well. So it's roughly the same height as that lip there. Okay, drop it back down. So I go around to do the final rear point. There's the rear right, it's going to be similar. That front one's probably going to go up at a bit of an angle, but because it's already mostly in the air, probably won't be so severe. Just give it a little bit. Yeah, so you see that one there is just coming up very slightly, but not much. So we obviously want to get 6 on this one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes. Yep. Rock solid, all 4 pads on the floor, all 4 pads on the floor. Same again with this one, I can just give it a little kick to make sure, yep, that's good. So that's it, that's how you jack up your Skoda Fabia. Hope that helps. Do please leave a comment below if you've got any questions or any constructive feedback. Constructive feedback respectfully delivered is a gift. I truly believe that, and I'm very, very grateful for all of your comments. Also, please consider subscribing. I will be sure to upload more videos, and be sure to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care.